Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by parts. So we have u and dv. U equals to sine s, du equal to cosine s ds, dv we got about sine s square ds. And now I will show you the technique how to find the integral of this one. We have sine s square equals to 1 minus cosine 2s over 2. So we put this one in here and we put about 1 over 2 outside. The integral of number 1 you got about s. The integral of negative cosine 2s you got about negative 1 over 2 sine 2s. So we put this one go in here. Next we have u multiplied with v. And we have the negative 1 over 2. The integral of du multiplied with v. So you got about s cosine s minus 1 over 2 cosine s sine 2s ds. Next, we need to separate this one into two integrals. The first one and the second one. So for the first one we can use about integration by parts. So we have u and dv. U equals to s, du equals to ds, dv we got about cosine s. So we got about v equals to sine s. So we got about negative 1 over 2 u multiplied with v. So you got about s sine s. And we have positive in here, that's about 1 over 2. The integral of sine s ds equal to negative 1 over 2 cosine s plus c. And now we go to the second one. In this situation, we know that sine 2s, we have 2s is bigger than s. So we put about sine 2s go first, cosine s later. We have the formula sine a cosine b equal to 1 over 2 sine a plus b plus sine a minus b. So in this situation we can apply in here. And you got about 1 over 2. This one you got about sine 3s, and the next one you got about sine s. So we put 1 over 2 outside, you got about 1 over 8. And now we can do the integral of this one. The integral of sine 3s, you got about negative 1 over 3 cosine 3s. And the next one is about negative cosine s. And we put about c is about constant. And now we can combine the answer in here. So the first one, that's it about this one. And the second one, that's it about this one. And we put about c is about constant. That's the end. Thank you for watching.